welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. All right, so in today's tutorial, I want to teach you a very nice 4-3-2-1-7-3-6 that you can use for either talk music, or you can use for talk music. You can use it for talk music. You can use it also for your chord progressions. I mean, just gospel stuff. So this can also work for, let's say we have a song like has the, so that instead of doing 7-3-6, right, that will always do. Instead of doing that, you can actually start from has the, yeah, let me have a bit. Has the mountain for the water, so my soul get out. So be patient. Yeah, patience is the key. So I'm going to teach you that. So let me show you the progression I want to teach today. It goes like this: 4, 3, 2. Be patient. 1, then 7, right? 3, 6, right? Okay, so. Alright, so before I show you that, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, you can see the flyer on the screen. You should get it. You get to learn a lot of chords, Right, you get to learn a lot of chords. So I taught there different type of 7th chords and so on and so forth. Drop 2s, how to do your drop 2. Right, and a lot of stuff there. Okay. So if you want to get that, check my contact on the home page of this channel, or YouTube channel. My contact is there. Contact me to buy. It is $7,500 for people in Nigeria and $12 for people abroad. Right. So, or you can also check the about section of this channel for my seller link or Flutterwave link. You can buy from any of the stores. All right. God bless you. So let me show you what we have. So today we are in the key of C. Right. Okay, so the 4-3-2-1-7-3-6. The first 4 parts, which is the 4-3-2-1, most times always precede a 7-3-6. So that's a circle of 4th. So 4-3-2-1-7-3-6. All right, so most times we always do that. There's this old movement we always do. If you don't know this, you can copy it. We always do 4-3-2-1. Then we'll do 7-3. So this is like a bonus. So if you need it, I mean, you have the middle screen and everything to copy it out. Okay, so instead of that, today we'll be learning this chord. So look at my right hand and my left hand. So my 4 chords goes like this. So I have a middle screen. So that's my 4 chords. So going to 3, I'll do something like this. Right, so you can use this for talk music. Then for your 2 chord, we're going to do something like this. Right, you can see my fingers and you can also see the middle screen. Right, then 1 chord. We use dominant 7 on 1 most times when we are when we know that it's not resolving. I mean, we are still going back to either 4 or 7. Right, so we need 4, 3, 2, 1. So don't miss out. Then 7, 7, right? Then 3, right? So this is the 3 chord. Then the 6. So it goes 7, 4, 3, 2. Someone is not writing. You should write, right? You are not a computer, so you should write, right? So you can do. Look at the right hand. Then, so on the tritone. So you end on this chord. So has the day is for do, fa, so, ma. So get my intermediate piano course for you to learn these chords properly. Get that. Make sure you get the course to learn all these chords properly. Right, God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.